And then this is how I would start my video. In every video, I say, so, hey guys, literally the same one every single time. Okay, so you can have whatever you want to start your video with, but then you would just write on here, and anything you write on here, they can see. So for instance, if I was going to do the big X and then, say, hey, this is my A, B, C, I normally would use color, but y'all are capable of doing math. So I would work this problem through and I would explain everything, and then I would do the box method and be like, hey girl, this is how you do it. And then I would say, all right, cool, awesome, great. Take the GCF. And then I would say, this is my final answer. I highly suggest that when you are done, you box out your final answer, because most of your kids actually don't watch you work through the problem. They just try to get to the solution. So you always want to make sure that you're boxing out your answer so that they're like, oh, Coach Emmons wants me to do this. And then I would say, hey, pause the video. You try number 2. No, you're good. Go ahead.
And then also, show how to scale on the eraser.
Mm-hmm.
You can make it small scale, big scale.
Yep.
So that scale right there, if you push it all the way to the right, it's almost white on the whole screen. One way.
So like,
I did.
Yeah.
I was like,
yeah.
oh god.
So see on the right, see the scale on it? That's the eraser. So when it's small, the eraser is small space. If you want to erase if you want to cut every page, slide all the way right, and just take a couple of minutes.
Yeah, this is how I do it. And then with the manual pad, when we're doing Brazil, I use the manual pad too, instead of the camera. And then I just snip. I use a snip for, like, I've snipped it as this and both sides, and then put it on the manual pad.
She's writing on. Yeah, because my handwriting
Because you can also snip that graph.
It gets better as you go along. Like this is sloppy right now. Like if I'm sitting here and I'm actually writing. Yeah.
He tells you, that is my best friend. If you haven't seen him say 18 times.
We saw. Also, if you ever want to like hide a problem from the kids, or if you want more space, all you have to do is come in here and create a text box, okay? And then you're going to do fill with white. And then what you can do is move that text box or move whatever. I'm sorry, I lost the text box because it's white. But you can pull it over. Sorry. Hey, it was too good. Sorry. So like if I was like, nah, I don't want you to see this question. I don't know what I was trying to type, but I'm going to take this text box and move it over in front of the question that I want, and I can fill it with white, and then the kids can't see the question that's behind. So if you ever have like a scribble mark that you don't want to get rid of on a video, that is how you fix it. Anything you write on that screen is, yeah, if you want a new page, so you're going to hit insert, new page, and you can write on here. If you're like, nah, I made a mistake, you can hit this back button. If you're like, I really want them to see my squiggle really well, you can zoom in, or you can zoom back out.
And the way
Yes.
you put your notes on there, you drag and drop the file. So you look up the file that you drag over to the right side of the page, you drop down the page, and give it a second, it takes a minute to copy it.
So if he's talking about the fact that you can take a snippet picture and you can be like, I want this question right here, copy it, and then I can go over to my page, drop it in. So if I wanted to pick up one of these pages, I would hit snip. This takes a picture of whatever I have outbox, right click, hit copy, and then go to the page that you want to drop it in, right click, hit paste. And then now I can write on all of this glorious mess.
Also, let's say you get some notes in a Word document or a PDF file. You open up like your search folder down there, go to the folder that has it in it, and you drag the file over and drop it on the page over there. It's 4 pages of notes, and copy it 4 pages.
Okay, so what he's talking about is if you go to document, yeah, let's do bell schedule and drop it in. Boom. So if you have like a picture saved or whatever, you can just like drop them in. So that's how you do Mimeo. Now, let's say that this video is awesome and it's killing it and we're crushing it. You're going to hit pause Okay.